Hey y'all, so today's video is about some nails. We need some new nails on, but the first thing you need to consider when watching this video, it's like 12:45 a.m. so please excuse my appearance. And I have not had on nails in like 3 weeks now, and I just felt the need to give myself a break, but we need something this time. I need some girlies, so we're gonna put on some nails today. I don't know which ones, but I'm gonna show you guys all of them because I have all my nails in this new book now. Shout out Glamazante because I was watching her vlog and she condensed all her press-ons into a binder. And I was just like, that's an amazing idea, I gotta do it. I will say you need to get a hard binder. Like, this is too flimsy. I feel like my nails are not really protected, you know? Like if I drop it or something. So let's go through them, pick a nail, put them on so we can have some nails on.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love.
Wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end.
Okay, y'all, it is late. It's late. These are them. They're cute. They're giving salon quality, pure. I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I'm about to go to bed. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
If